How to earn money from Facebook in 2020, and I'm talking about $5 a pop every single month. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I will blow your mind. First of all, I'm going to show you a super cool Facebook money strategy, and secondly I'm going to show you a system that actually pays you month after month after month per person. You can make a ton of commissions, and $5 a pop per month is just their starting point, so I'm going to show you all of this. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm uploading a video to this channel, I'm giving away $10. If you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the $10 to, and I'll be revealing the winners of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also check out all the links in the description of this video. Top links are always my recommended resources for making money online and working from home, so check it all out. Let's jump into it. How to earn money from Facebook in 2020. And I'm talking about PayPal commissions, okay? So first of all, you can make this work with any kind of an affiliate marketing promotion, but the thing is, you don't want to be chasing the sales every single day. You want to sell something once and you want to get recurring commissions, which means that you only make the sale once and you get paid every single month after that, okay? So you're creating passive income this way, and that's the way I like to do it, and this is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, okay? So the system I'm using to do so is My Lead Gen Secret, and you have the first link in the description of this video to sign up. And if you're going to sign up using my link, I'm going to add you to a secret Facebook group with a ton of resources, done for you material, and everything else, okay? So actually, let me show you this group first. I'm going to add you to this secret group, and just going through the videos here, you're gonna get a ton of secret training videos on how to make money with it, a part of what I'm going to show you in this video, okay? So My Lead Gen Secret is what I'm promoting, and let me just show you the commissions, because this is where it gets exciting, okay? So even before I'm going to show you what the system is about, let me show you the affiliate tab right here. Obviously you're gonna get your link, and all you're gonna have to do is just promote this link on Facebook or anywhere else. But as you can see, you're gonna receive $5 per month on a personal membership sales if someone will use your affiliate link. Then anyone that signs up below this person that you signed up, you're gonna get paid as well. So as you can see, level 1, that's $5 per month, level 2, $4 per month, level 3, $3 per month, level 4, $2 per month, and level 5, $1 per month. So even if you're just gonna sign up one person and this person will sign up a bunch of people, you are getting paid on every single one. And again, this is per month commissions, and a part of this, there are some upsells that you can get paid up to $29.95 a pop, okay? So this is an amazing system, and if you're gonna do nothing else but just promote your link, as you can see, this link right here, you will make a ton of money in recurring commissions. And a part of that, My Lead Gen Secret will give you 100 leads per day that you can email for free, and you don't need an autoresponder, you don't need a website, you don't need nothing else a part of this system, because as you can see, you can email everyone from within the system. So there's an mailing system actually included in this, and as you can see, I'm emailing my leads right here. So I got 100 leads today, 100 leads yesterday. You know, the first day I got 29 opens and 11 clicks. Then I got 261 opens, you know, 54 clicks, 34 clicks, etc. So you can do this every single day, and every single day you are getting 100 leads, 100 emails that you can just email every single day with. So obviously, you know, you're going to be promoting your own link when it comes to My Lead Gen Secret. Or another thing that you can do, and I'm not going to show you this right now, but you know, this is explained in this My Lead Gen Secret group. What you're gonna do is you can actually grab all of the emails that you're gonna get from the system, import them somewhere else, and just email them with any other promotion. So you can go to ClickBank, you can pick any product and just keep on emailing them about this product. And with ClickBank products, obviously you can make $50 a sale, $100 a sale, sometimes as much as $500 per sale, okay? So this is an amazing system. I'm not going to show you exactly how it all works, etc. But again, when it comes to the commissions, just keep in mind you're gonna make $5 per month on level 1, level 5 $1 per month, and everything in between. And all you have to do is just promote this one link. And right now let me show you how to do it on Facebook. Okay, so obviously you can use YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, whatever traffic source you want to use. Obviously email is big, but on Facebook it's very cool because Facebook is free. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to do it on Facebook. First of all, let me just tell you that you don't want to be using your personal Facebook account. Okay, what I recommend you do is just create an account separate just for affiliate marketing and making money online purposes. Okay, so as you can see, this is my account. This is my Artflair Facebook account, and this is the account that I'm using for my internet marketing business. So I have a separate account for my family and friends, and where I share all the pictures of my daughter, etc. And this is the account that I'm using for making money online. So let me just show you an example of my good buddy Aiden Cockery. This is his Facebook account, and then he has a second one, Aiden Thomas Noel, that he uses for making money online. And then he even has a third one, Aiden Bot Club, which he uses for promoting like affiliate marketing bots. Okay, so this is just a great example. You want to keep things separate. Obviously you don't want all your friends to be seeing that you're promoting some system for making money online. They are not interested in it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a new account, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to groups about making money online and business opportunities. Okay, so let's just type in make money online. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to groups, and you will join as many of these groups as you can. As you can see, I'm already a member of all of these groups. So you have Make Money Online, you have a bunch of Make Money Online groups, Make Money Online Club, Make Money Online Work from Home, Profits all around the world, Systems, Wealth, etc. Okay, so first of all, it can be Make Money Online. Second of all, Business Opportunities. Third of all, Work from Home. Fourthly, Internet Marketing, earning money online, just anything related to just making money online. Okay, so you're gonna join all of these groups. I actually have my own group, and I recommend you you can start your own group. Obviously it will take some time to grow it, but once you have your own group, you control the narrative. You can promote anything you want as many times as you want. No one will ban you because you're using affiliate links, etc. So that's a subject for a separate video, but just keep in mind, open your own group and you will be in control. But even if you don't have your own group, you can just post in a number of different groups when it comes to make money online. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your link right here. What I recommend doing is you can create like a bonus page. Okay, so don't use the affiliate link directly. Use a page like on your blog, or even if you don't have a blog, just maybe record a quick YouTube video and have the link in the description. You can start a free blog with Blogger or WordPress or any other of these Web 2.0 properties. Don't use the link directly. So you can create a bonus page where you add some bonuses. If people will use your link, then you will send them some free PLR stuff. You can go to IDPLR. You can go to idplr.com. The link is in the description, and just grab a bunch of PLR products. You have ebooks, videos, graphics, templates, articles, audios, and just add a bonus for these people that will use your link to sign up. Okay, so again, you can do a review video, a bonus page, a YouTube video, even a post on some other social media, and just start promoting it. You're gonna see a ton of people promoting the same thing. So just find these groups that no one else found yet, and just start promoting your link. And the cool thing is that you even get all the swipes, all the messages included. So all you have to do is essentially just copy and paste it. You can rewrite it in your own words, but essentially you have all the messages right here. You have text ads, you have emails, you have banner ads, you have all these different resources. So even if you are in a hurry, you don't want to be writing messages yourself, all of this is done for you. All you have to do is just copy it, add your link to it, and start promoting. So again, doing it in Facebook groups is the number one thing. Obviously, You don't want to be just spamming people. If you're going to engage people in conversations, ask questions, answer questions, that goes a long way, because people will just start to trust you, okay? And another thing is that you can do the same exact thing on your own Facebook account, okay? So going back to Aiden, this is his main account, this is his second account. On his second account, what he's doing is he essentially goes to all of these Facebook groups. He goes to as you can see here, members, and then he just adds all the members as friends, okay? So you can add all of these members as friends, and once they are your friends, whatever you're gonna post on your wall, they're gonna see, okay? So you're gonna attack them from both sides, so to speak, okay? So first of all, you're going to be posting in all of these groups. If they are a member of this group, they will see it, and secondly, if they are your friend, they will see all of the posts that you have on your wall. So again, don't just be posting messages about, with your link and that's it. Ask questions, tell your story, even if this story is a little bit invented, say something about your success, say something about how you were struggling and now you're seeing success, etc. So, that goes a long way. And again, asking questions, answering questions, engaging with people, that really, really goes a long way. So these are the two ways you can do it. But first of all, keep in mind you're gonna need a Facebook account that is separate from your personal account, and then you can just go all out, start adding people. You can add a maximum of 5,000 friends to an account. So even if you want to create 2 or 3 Facebook accounts, that's fine. Another tip I wanted to tell you is don't add like 1,000 friends on a single day, okay? Let it grow, maybe add like 50 to 100 friends per day. And this way you won't get banned. If you're gonna create a new account and add 1,000 friends from a Facebook group in a single day, you will probably get banned by Facebook. So don't do it, don't overdo it, don't force it, let it flow. And again, just use Facebook groups, number 1, use your own profile, number 2, and you should be generating tons of commissions. And the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret is that you can email your leads every single day. So as you can see, you have the mailing system right here. As you can see, I'm getting 100 leads every single day, and all I have to do if I want to email them, actually let me show you right now how to email them. So I want to go back to the affiliates tab, and as you can see, I can just pick one of these emails. So let's say I want to use this template, so email 5. I'm gonna import it into the mailing system. I'm going to select all of my leads, and as you can see, I'm gonna send it from subject line, that's fine. And the email is already right here. So, and the cool thing is that my link is already here, so I don't have to do anything else. All I'm going to do is I'm going to press send email, and this email will be sent out to all the leads that I have, which is more than 1,000 at this point. Okay, I signed up like 10 days ago. So that's all you have to do. Everything is done for you. Emails are done for you. All the sales pages, funnels, everything else. And as you can see, my message is queued right now, and I can send another one in 23 hours. So you can send essentially 1 email per day. So that's just additional thing about My Lead Gen Secret. You can do this. You can do Facebook, and you're gonna make a ton of money on Facebook, because people are really into making money online in these Facebook groups. Okay, so guys, this is my how to earn money from Facebook in 2020 and beyond. This is an updated strategy. But before we go, let's see who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. And my previous video is this one right here. Earn $1 to $10 per click and tap for newbies. Let me grab the URL and let's go to YouTube random comment picker, and let's see how many comments we have. We have 11 comments, and right now let's pick a random winner. Yeah, we got Boss Lady Tamika. Your videos are always helpful, thank you so much. And I have the email, so I'm going to send $10 to Tamika right now. Congratulations. And if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email, just like Tamika just did, so I know where to send the money to. Okay, so as you're seeing, I just sent $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations. Again, do these 4 things if you want to win $10 right now, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link will take you to my lead gen secret, and if you're going to sign up with my link, I'm going to add you to this group with tons of training and done for you material. Check out all the rest of the links as well. Everything is about making money online and working from home. Check out my social media. Check out all the rest of the videos on this channel, and I will be seeing you very, very shortly in the next video. Ciao.